So guys, if you want to know the secret, watch our video. We will show you because I will make a video of this. Look at that, eh? How big this. And sa likod, makikita mo yung mga tomato. So today, these vegetables will be watered with that composting. Look at them. It's a little bit cold now. That's the reason why the leaves are curling a little bit, you know. That's the tendency. But yeah, we'll water this. Okay, we'll water this plant. Look at this tomato. A little bit cold now. Actually, the water is cold. I'll give them a generous amount of this composting, brewed composting. Plant this also, I will water this also. Produce more bigger and sweeter tomato. Yeah, a generous amount. A little bit of this chives and onion.
The potato also.
This is the chives, one of my neighbor here,
Potato.
Yeah, okay, the potato also. So, chives, ang chives daw mga kabayan ay parang Viagra din daw. Sabi na, no, wala. Totoo ba?
I don't know.
Hindi daw niya alam.
Anong malay ko dyan?
Malay nga naman. Dahil ang Viagra ay ang Viagra ay pang lalaki.
Good morning mga ka-tribe. Ngayon naman ay pipitas tayo ng mga kamatis dito sa aming garden. So tingnan nyo mga ka-tribe, pag may itinanim, may aanihin. So look at this. See?
Pakita mo.
Mayroong kaming, tignan nyo, mayroong kaming mga itinanim. So, mayroon ding aanihin. Purihin ang Panginoon sa mga kamatis na ito. Silok. See? Hinog na pala yung nandoon. Hindi ko nakita ah. Silok. Hmm? Wow! Six, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34 pieces of big tomatoes.
And these are small.
Yeah, and these are cherry tomatoes. Okay,
They're
so
good also.
36 big tomatoes.
And about 5, 6, 12, 18.
Okay, 36 big tomatoes.
Okay, we would like to show you, the harvested tomato. Look at that tomato. Maybe you get the scale, Mama, so that we could check the scale on top. Alright. Okay, guys, we'll show you the tomatoes that my lab harvested. Okay, we'll show you how big it is. This is a beefsteak tomato. Yeah, and some are other variety, but these are beefsteak tomato. Okay, and we'll show you the weight of one. Okay, this is a beefsteak tomato. Okay, we'll show you the weight of this. As you could see there,
800.
that's something like, no, hindi ito.
Ay, no, 620.
620. Yeah, 620. Just one piece, 620. Okay, that's 620. Let's see the other one. We have another one here. Maybe smaller
600.
almost 600. The 595. 595 grams. Okay, that's 595 grams. Hello guys, tonight I'll be showing to you the big variety of beefsteak tomato. This beefsteak tomato, the seedlings were given to us by our good neighbor Al. And one piece, this is about 600 grams, guys. About 5 inches in length and 3 inches in height. And this is bigger. Same thing, about 5 inches in length and 3 inches in height, but this is 615 grams. 15 grams heavier than this one. And as you could see here, we have plenty of beefsteak tomatoes, that are also big, but not as big as these two. And of course we have some cherry tomatoes, and Roma tomato, and a lot of them, so as you could see in here, right, this is only from 8 plants of tomatoes. And this alone, guy, including the cherry tomato that we have there, we just did not put in here, these are 20 kilos. And prior to this, we have harvested about 5 kilos already.
And they're still small.
And there's still
they're
few
buds.
small there, but we just leave it there. So you could see it's kind of like 3 kilos of tomatoes per plant. But of course, the beefsteak tomato may be 4 kilos. And about 5 of them, right? So yeah, the majority are beefsteak tomato and some are in Roma tomato. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching, for helping us. Please support us if you want us to continue doing videos. Okay, God bless you and God loves you. Bye bye for now.